Wait, hey, Chris, look. Is that Richard Dreyfuss? Oh, for crying out loud. Hey, Dreyfuss, where you going? Get back here. Dreyfuss, what are you doing here at Cohart? My nephew's in the play. I can't go anywhere because of these damn paparazzi. Where you going? Oh, you going to the bathroom? You gonna have a close encounter of the third kind? Hey, I think you're gonna need a bigger boat. These jokes are for you, Peter, when you watch this tape in the future. Hi, future Peter. I'm gonna plant a tree for you when I get home. Look outside and you'll see a grown tree. I'm gonna plant a tree for you when I get home. Look outside and you'll see a grown tree. Now look at your hand. It's just enough because I'm gonna cut off all the fingers. Oh yeah, pass, Peter? Well, two can play that game. Take that. Wait a minute.
How was your bowel movement, Peter?
I got some, but I didn't get the troublemaker. Wait, what time is it? I gotta turn on TMZ. Today on TMZ, Renee Russo got a little hot under the collar when we caught up with her outside her home in the hills. Renee, what was it like working with Douglas Fairbanks? Is it true you were born in 1880?
This is my rapping frickin' land, and I don't care what no man from no Tennessee Valley Authority says concerning.
Why are we watching TMZ? I hate this show. Keep watching. So what do you got? I got Richard Dreyfuss coming out of the bathroom of his nephew's play in Rhode Island. Richard! Hey, Richard! Hey, can I get your autograph? Fine. You have a pen and paper? What do I